Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to design your small backyard garden. These are the trending designs that mostly people are doing in 2023. Suppose if you have a very small space in your house, then there would be very difficult for you to proper your shape for your garden. So for this, people need to understand how you to utilize small spaces for your backyard garden. Backyard garden is now a very necessary thing and become got serious attention in 2023 because it looks more beautiful and more elegant. When you are going to do or when you are going to design your backyard garden, you have to keep those things in your mind, that how much space do you have and how much money do you want to put in. For sometimes you would have a lot of money but you don't know where to start and how to design. So these images will help you to design your backyard garden. If you like someone, you should have take the screenshot of those image and present it to your designer, so that you can get your ideas according to it. But wait, if you want to do it by yourself, then definitely you will have to put a lot of effort. Sometimes you cannot do the flooring by yourself, but other than flooring, you can decorate by yourself too, because flooring is really a very difficult task. Flooring a wooden tiles with a designing and unique bringing a uniqueness is some like really much a difficult task for all of the people. Watch this video and get the idea and design you want to do in your backyard small garden. You can comment down the number of images and our team will help you and will get you more details into it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel as I have put a very lot of effort to make videos for you. Thank you.